Hello，大家好，今日係2025年嘅5月7號，星期三，大家好嗎？首先，我真係要喺呢度多謝所有已經購買我 Double Grace 廣東話課程嘅朋友啊，多謝你哋嘅支持，同埋你哋對我嘅信任，真係俾我同埋我嘅屋企人好大好大嘅鼓勵啊！每次見到有人聯絡我啦，話我想購買你嘅 Double Grace 課程，我真係覺得好感恩，我都會同神講，主啊，我真係感謝你，多謝你啊，因為呢一個唔單止係一個學習嘅旅程，a learning journey 學習旅程，更加係一個聯繫心靈 heart connecting。聯繫心靈同埋建立友誼 friendship building 建立友誼嘅一個旅程，一個嘅祝福旅程journey of blessing 祝福旅程。所以我呢度有一個嘅好消息要同大家宣佈啊！I have a happy announcement to make。我想真係見到你哋，因為你哋唔單止係我嘅學生，你哋都係我呢一個嘅語言旅程 The language journey 呢個語言旅程嘅朋友 friends。You are the friends of this language journey。我希望喺6月份舉辦一個網上嘅 meet up party，一個網上嘅 meet up party，咁就特別係送俾所有喺5月15號之前買咗呢個課程嘅朋友。So I will be holding a meet up party in June。As a special bonus for everyone who purchases the course before May 15。所以如果你係喺5月15號或者之前購買呢個 Double Grace 課程嘅朋友你就會被邀請參與嚟緊6月份嘅 Meet Up Party。呢一個係一份額外嘅小禮物，is a extra bonus and extra little gifts，係多謝嗰啲咁快支持我呢個 Double Grace course 嘅你，到時我哋就會一齊傾偈，認識其他嘅朋友啦，我哋都會互相嘅鼓勵，仲可以輕鬆練習下廣東話，一定會好開心，好 sweet。咁確實嘅日期我就會遲啲放俾大家嘅，咁如果你已經購買咗，唔使擔心，你已經喺我嘅名單入面啦。我遲啲定咗日期時間，就會 send invitation 邀請俾你噶啦。咁如果你仲考慮緊，不如就趁而家加入我哋啦。And if you are still thinking about it, now is the perfect time to join us。我真係好想見到你哋，再次多謝你成為 Double Grace 呢一段旅程嘅一份子。I really want to meet you and thank you again for being part of this Double Grace journey。我同金金都好期待同你哋一齊見面，so stay tuned。我哋遲啲再見，拜拜。